Hi, good afternoon. So our tutorial this afternoon is about how to reload an electricity connection account or prepaid electricity account. So as you can see in the unit, it already warned that the money is low. That one, money low, which means you need to reload before it running out the balance, so that the electricity connections is continuous. So first, all you have to do is open this one, and then of course you have the reload voucher like this. So this is the reload voucher. This is approximately $26. So to reload this voucher, so all you have to do first is to press the asterisk, and then see it says key code, so we have to put the code. Alright, so okay, 15968. One, 5, 9, 6, 8, 6, 8, 6, 8, 5, 4, 5, 6, 8, 5, 4, 5. Okay, 6, 8, 5, 4, 5, 0, 20, 77, 0, 2, 0, 7, 7. Next, 28862. 28862. And then you press the hashtag sign. So the hashtag sign is this one, hashtag. Okay, so press. Now it's sending the load accepted, which means we successfully loaded the voucher. So it will add up the remaining balance. Okay, so we will check. Okay, account. So that's the new balance. That is approximately $30. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I hope you like the video. Hit like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you will get notified whenever I upload new video. Okay, right guys, stay safe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.